It's again something different. Revision of the first lesson and again addition now to lesson number 2. My name is Rafi Mujahid. I teach English. I teach English. I live in Jahrabad. Clear? I teach English. I'll explain the lesson properly. First clear? Yes. My name is Rafi Mujahid. I teach English. I'll explain the lesson properly. मेरा नाम रफ़ी अंग्रेज़ी पढ़ाना सबक नूं की करसा explain करसा properly. Clear हुई बात? No, Mr. Rafi says एक तो ये था ना Mr. Rafi who sorry, this part now, that's old one, now leave it, now this one. Mr. Rafi
who teaches English.
Very good. Mr. Rafi who teaches English. Mr. Rafi who is a teacher who teaches English. This is over, now we are touching this one, no?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rafi who teaches English will explain the lesson properly. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Waqar, my name is Waqar. I study at sea. I study at sea. I'll come to sea on time. Clear? I'll practice now what? I'll practice what?
Of sentences.
I'll practice what? Absolutely right. Or you can say I'll practice no spoken English. I'll practice no English talk with my friends. So you will be now focusing on this part. Again, now you have to carry on. No, you will be narrating. My name is Rafi Mujahid. I live at Ahir town. I stay here. I stay here the whole day. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. My name is Rafi Mujahid.
Mr. Rafi Mujahid, who lives
Very good.
in Ahir town.
Very good. Will stay.
Stay there.
Absolutely. But one new thing is there now. I'm sure new to you. In narration, here it will be converted into there. Just like so.
The second part is not about the printer.
See that is over, gentlemen. Now, actually, you got late. That's when we have done this one. No? This one is over. No? This was the first part. No. See, this part we have done now. Now we are doing this part.
Yes, sir.
G. See, my name is Muti. Again, what? I study in Dar el school. Again, I'll go to school on 26th August. Again, I learn English. I stand first in the exams. Clear? D. I play hockey. I'll participate in the next match.
Yes.
Like that. What is clear about?
Yes.
G.
My name is Bhumashki Durman. I am here.
Okay.
I strike 61 plays.
Gentlemen, that is over, right? I am finished. This is over.
I play cricket.
This is no, I am B1. D.
My name is Bhumashki Durman. I play cricket.
Okay.
I strike 60.
I'll strike 6s and 4s. My name is Skif Rahman. I play cricket. Clear? And what will you do? I'll strike 6s and 4s. D.
This is Skifur Rahman, who is a player
Who's a player? No? Who?
Plays cricket.
who plays cricket.
Okay.
He'll
Sorry. Don't get confused. There's no he. No. That is not so simple. It's a will now. Mr. Skif who plays cricket. Mr. Skif who plays cricket will strike 6s and 4s. What's about you?
My name is Farid Anwar.
Okay.
I teach physics.
Okay.
I build the concepts of students.
I
Build the concepts of
build. Very good. I build the concept of the student. Ji.
Mr. Khalid,
Okay.
who is a teacher,
Okay. Not use the teachers. यार
who teaches
यार क्यों ना समझे यार? ऐसे मैं उस क्लास कर रहा था.
Mr. Khalid,
इसे क्लास कर दिया ना. This is the point you have to focus on. I. अच्छा दोस्तों, मैं कहना जी के मेरा नाम रफी जी. मैं अल्लाह को मंगा ये कैसा? अल्लाह दी फरमादारी कैसी? मैं ये करता जी मोहम्मद मुस्तफा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम मंगा जी ये कैसा? उन्होंने इत्तिबा कैसा? ठीक है जी. मैं के जी मैं मेरा नाम रफी है जी. मैं के करना जी पढ़ाना है के कैसा? करता क्या हूँ और करूँगा क्या? I'm a Muslim. I believe in Allah Almighty. I believe in Allah Almighty. I worship Him. Clear? Again, my name is Rafi. I help you. I sit with you. I accompany you. मेरी याद में करे देंगे. God अलबाना Lord कब शुभ जाना? Trace again. Again, I'll get reward for it. Clear? I'll support you in future. यानी एक एक्टिविटी बतानी है कि करते क्या है और फिर क्या करेंगे? नहीं बात समझाएंगे. एक आदमी ड्राइविंग करता है. मैं अगेन माय नेम इज गुल मोहम्मद. नो आई ड्राइव नो द कार. आई ड्राइव द कार. क्या कह रहा है? आई विल पिक यू फ्रॉम योर हाउस. आई विल ड्रॉप यू एट योर हाउस. मैं रफी है जी. मैं ड्राइविंग करना था तो मैं पिक भी कर सकता ड्रॉप भी कर सकता. अब अगली रेल जी.
Mr. Khalid, who is teacher,
फिर बोल रहा हूँ.
Mr. Khalid,
यार ये पुरानी होगी बात. Who teaches
physics,
okay
he
will build the concepts of his students, will clarify the concepts of his students. जी.
My name is Bakar.
Okay.
I visit the university.
I visit the university. मैं यूनिवर्सिटी जाता हूँ. ये कहना चाहते हैं ना मेरा नाम वकार है. मैं यूनिवर्सिटी रहना नहीं. यूनिवर्सिटी रहने हो तो कौन क्या ग्रेस होता है? I'll get a degree. I'll learn a lot. I'll visit the library today. Please, I'll talk with the teacher. You can say, I'll expand my knowledge. I'll enrich my mind. ये हो सकता है ना? जी. यूनिवर्सिटी रहने हो तो क्या ग्रेस?
I get degree.
I'll get what?
Degree.
The degree. My name is Wakar. I visit the university. I'll get the degree. Now, Ji.
Mr. Kaur.
Okay.
University.
Who visits the university?
To get
No. Will get the degree. What's about you?
My name is Mohammed Khan.
Okay.
I sit in the library.
I sit in the library. Very good.
I like Muslim literature.
I
Like Muslim literature.
like. What do I say?
I will like Muslim.
I get the now. I consult no. I like कोई पसंद नहीं. ये सेंस नहीं बनती ना. टेक्निकली जुमला ठीक है आपका बिल्कुल ना. लेकिन कुछ जुमले की सेंस होती है ना वो कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं. जरा चेंज करें. लाइब्रेरी आप जाते हैं.
I like
क्या करेंगे?
Muslim scholars' speech.
I'll consult the books. I'll consult the books about Muslim culture. I'll consult the books about Islam. I'll consult the books about current affairs. I'll consult the books about Pakistan affairs. ठीक है आप ये हो सकते हैं ना. मेरा नाम शान है. मैं लाइब्रेरी बना जी. तो क्या कैसा? लाइब्रेरी जाता हूँ ना. क्या करोगे? मैं किताबें पढ़ूंगा. इस्लामिक कल्चर में पढ़ूंगा. मुस्लिम कल्चर में पढ़ूंगा. पाकिस्तान अफेयर्स में पढ़ूंगा. and so on. Now what? I'll consult the books on the modern cultures. Correct. जी.
Mr. Ramadan sits in the library.
देखो इसका मतलब है मेमोरी शॉर्ट हो जाएगी. बजाय नंबर कम उलट हो सकती है. Mr. Ramadan who visits the library. Mr. Ramadan वो क्या करते हैं? Mr. Ramadan who visits the library will
will
consult the books
on modern culture.
on modern culture. Ji.
My name is Rasulullah.
Okay.
I sell the property.
I
sell the property.
I deal in property. I deal in property. Deal.
And I'll deal in future.
I'll
Deal in future.
देखो again property में नहीं. I'll learn a lot of money. I'll gain a lot of profit. साइंस पढ़ी नहीं पढ़ी दस मेरा नाम भी उलाय नहीं मैं कहने लगे मैं प्रॉपर्टी डीलर नहीं डील करता हूँ उसी कारोबार में नहीं तो हो सीखी है. I'll learn a lot of money. I'll earn a lot of money. I'll gain a lot of profit. I'll deceive different people. I'll work for